Good evening, I'm Brian from Singapore, and I used to be a management consultant at the Boston Consulting Group. I was also a professor at NTU and NUS. In 2013, I decided to try to create value for society, and this eventually led to the creation of the wisdom approach. The wisdom approach is a wisdom-based thinking approach that allows for the achievement of optimal outcomes in any complicated scenarios. It also gives me the ability to work with a different parameter set, the different rules of the game compared to everybody else. In order to showcase the value and the practicality of the wisdom approach, I decided to apply it into the anti-scam industry. Now, this would represent the most basic application of the wisdom approach into the anti-scam industry. Applying it into anti-scam was a natural choice. Scams are a big problem today. Last year, it was reported that $442 billion was lost to scammers. And this was based on an estimated 26% reporting rate in countries like the United States. In reality, the losses would probably amount to much more than $1 trillion. Now, how Scam Protect works is simple. All scams must be based on a lie. And the easiest way to avoid being scammed is to be able to identify the scam and simply walk away. So the wisdom approach allows me to do this. It allows me to create two conceptual fingerprints. One, a fingerprint of a lie, the other of the truth. And I can use the wisdom approach to objectively and systematically identify the lie, so that we can have accurate and confident identification. So identify the lie, know that it's a scam, walk away. It's as simple as that. The web demo already enables me to identify all misrepresentation scams of known entities. So this is basically where the scammer is trying to pretend to be a family member, a close friend, or an organization that you have a relationship or an account with. I also searched for feedback, and I got feedback from a Canadian police officer from the Edmonton Police Force. And he essentially said that this is something that will be very useful and something that we need. When Scam Protect is completed, it will be able to identify misrepresentation of unknown entities also, and this will represent the first logic-centric AI in the world. On top of that, it will show the POC for the novel method of elemental fingerprinting. Today, I hope to find like-minded individuals who share in my vision, who will want to seize this opportunity, make the world a better place, and bring the fight to the scammers. And especially if you have crowdfunding experience or exposure, please do come and look for me. My email is on the screen. Thank you very much, and good evening.